Hi, hello guys, welcome to Facts Leader YouTube channel. In today's video, you are going to witness the advancements in construction field. This autonomous plastering robot reduces the need for manual labor, allowing for more accurate and precise plastering. The real-time 3D scanning, modeling, and autonomous path planning are particularly noteworthy features. It also predicts the plastering process, including how much material is needed and how long the process will take. The robot is sturdy and durable, allowing it to transport the plaster material and withstand the harsh conditions. It is powered by a battery, eliminating the need for a power source. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and watch full video without skipping. The Marshalltown Spin Screed is a concrete leveling tool that provides fast, smooth and efficient concrete finishing. The simple design and gas-powered motor make it more convenient to use, especially for larger concrete surfaces. The Spin Screed can be customized with additional accessories, and that's why it's a valuable investment for professionals. The top lift is a highly adaptable solution for transporting loads on a construction site. It can be assembled to a maximum height of 30 meters, and the most powerful model is capable of lifting loads up to 250 kg. The top lift is also designed for fast transport with carriages. Speed varies from 40 meters per minute. All carriages are equipped with a special device to prevent a load from crashing into the event if it fails. Acoustic panels are not only add an aesthetic touch to a room but also have functional benefits. These panels act as diffusers, which means that they scatter sound waves, leading to improved acoustics in the space. The wooden strips on the panel really add warmth and depth to the wall. Clay plaster, a natural alternative to plaster made from gypsum, can be used as a base or finishing coat for interior walls. This type of plaster can be applied in layers from a very thin 3 mm to a thicker 10 mm by machine or by hand. It is a long-lasting material, and in addition it has the ability to regulate indoor humidity and temperature. Vacuum Planet Mobile. Here's the vacuum tube lifter, a versatile piece of equipment that transports various working materials. Its vacuum lifting system ensures weightless handling, which helps reduce the risk of injury to staff and damage to the materials while lifting operations. The machine can be operated by a single worker, which can help reduce project timelines and cost. It is a cost saver, guys. Using the optional joint spacing aid module, workers can lay pavers and slabs with proper spacing, ensuring a clean and uniform finish. Look how it's done, guys. Please continue watching this video, guys. If you are not subscribed, please get subscribed and press the bell icon for more videos. Keep on watching, guys. Thank you for seeing Facts Leader.